Hello everyone, and today's trick is our story sack. So I wanted to show you how I'm making story sacks and how I actually take them with me when I'm working as a relief teacher. Also when I work as a permanent kindergarten teacher, I use story sacks just to store stories and puppets. It's a really good way to organize your puppets and resources. So this one is on baby owls. So oops, that's my old favorite book. So really great book, as you can see, quite used. Yes, so and in all my books I usually use a stamp, so in case I'll just misplace it or lose it, and someone can return it to me with my email. And yes, pretty much email. So and it says that it's from my library. But this is a book. So book is one of the key elements of the story sack. So you have the book. It might be a board book, it might be a big book, so it doesn't matter. So as long as the book is there, so that's great. So also I have puppets for this show. So this is my baby owl, so number 1. So I have baby owl number 2, and I have in my story sack baby owl number 3. Yeah, so I have 3 baby owls, and I also have wonderful mommy owl here. So these are my favorite puppets. So I really love them. So I buy my resources in opportunity shops, yes, or thrift shops. So when people actually don't want toys like this one, and that's probably from a very expensive shop. So it's a pretty expensive puppet, as it seems, but I found it in an op shop, and it was a couple of dollars. However, those ones are from IKEA, and they were probably $6-7 each. It's an investment that I made, but you can actually use not just puppets, you can use anything for story pack. Puppets I found amazing because they help children to recreate the story and reenact it. So I use this set of puppets for acting out and then for free play as well. We first read the story, then I give children roles and decide, like, you're gonna be a mommy owl, you're gonna be a baby Percy, I think it was Sarah Percy, and Sarah Percy and Bill. Yes, so we have Sarah Percy and Bill. So we sign these roles, and also I will be reading a book to remind them on key key lines of the story and key steps, and helping them with the words as well. Yes, so this is a story sack. What else can you add to your story sack? So to this one, because I'm just gonna use this one as an example, I didn't use anything else, so just puppets and a book, but you can definitely add other things, such as a log that owls are sitting on. In every kinder you can find a log, so usually the natural materials are used, so you can actually do it outside as well and perform it on a tree or near the tree. But I really like to add the log. It's just very heavy to carry around, so I would probably find it and add it once I will take it to kinder. The other thing, you can add names of the characters as well, or sequences of the story. So this particular story sack doesn't have any of this, but you can expand and add to it. So the key idea is to put the props with a book and allow children to explore the story by themselves and to retell it and reenact it. So next time we're going to look at another story sack or story bag, so you can call them differently, or story case, and see how you can use it on your placement or in your practice. Thank you for listening, and bye.